Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dimensions in Autocad. If you're new to Autocad or still learning how the tools work, don't worry because this is one of the most important skills you can learn for creating clear and professional drawings. Let's get started. First, open Autocad and go to the Home tab at the top of the screen. Inside this tab, you'll find different tools used for drawing, editing, and annotating your projects. Learning how to use this section properly can make your drawings much easier to understand and more professional overall. Inside the Annotate section, click on the Dimension tool. This tool allows you to display measurements directly on your drawing, so you can clearly show the size and distance of different objects and shapes. Once the Dimension tool is active, move your mouse over the drawing and select the points you want to measure. After selecting the points, drag your mouse outward and place the dimension line wherever it looks clean and readable. As you move the mouse around, you'll notice the dimension line automatically adjusts its direction depending on the angle and position of the shape. This makes it easy to add dimensions for horizontal, vertical, or even angled objects. One helpful tip is to make sure your object snaps are enabled. This helps Autocad snap directly to corners and exact points, making your dimensions much more accurate and easier to place correctly. You should also take your time positioning the dimensions neatly around the drawing. Clean spacing and proper alignment can make a huge difference in how the final project looks. The more you practice adding dimensions, the faster and more natural the process will become. After a while, placing dimensions accurately will feel automatic, and you'll be able to work much more efficiently. And that's how you add dimensions in Autocad. It's a simple but essential tool that helps make your drawings clear, detailed, and ready for presentation or construction work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.